what is Kali Linux. As you might have seen in the description at our website that for this course we are using Kali Linux as our testing environment and whatever the labs we are going to use for it. Now first of all, we need to understand what is this Kali Linux. Now you might have heard a lot of Linux operating system out there, but what is the specialty of this Linux so that we are using it? Now there are a couple of reasons why we are using the Kali Linux and not any other operating system. Now first of all, this is the website from where you can download your copy of Kali Linux. Now before Kali we were using the Backtrack operating system, or just like other operating systems, particularly focused for penetration testing. But after introduction of Kali, the things have moved on a great ahead in the testing environment. And let's focus what are the key impacts that actually forced us to use this Kali Linux. Now first of all, if you are a penetration tester, you need a lots of tools and sets. Although you can perform a lots of manual testing, but at a certain point of time you are going to need some of the tools which need to be out there. Working on the Windows environment is not at all suitable for any kind of hacker or penetration tester, because he codes a lot, he do a lots of stuff and create his own tool. But you don't need to worry about that or coding your own tool if you are using the Kali. The very important feature about the Kali Linux is that it is freely available to the entire community and will be freely available, as sponsored by some great guys behind it. So find out that. The next important feature that I like it most is 300 tools which are available out there in the Kali Linux, which are already pre-configured, just plug and play. All the tools are used in the Kali Linux are open source, so that you can see what is going out there. You can exactly see what is the coding going on behind that and can change if you wish to. Also, from the Backtrack, they have moved on a lot. In the Backtrack operating system, it was really messed up kind of things. Everything need to be found and all these things, but they have moved into the original hierarchical system of the all other Linux. And the most important feature, they have moved on to the Debian system, which is really a powerful file kernel system that will help you a lot. Another interesting feature over the Backtrack to the Kali is over the time, the Backtrack was actually making a lots of problem when we were using it over the wireless penetration testing or wireless security testing. So what these guys have done, they have additionally included a lots of drivers which will help you to plug and play your wireless cards and can do a lots of security stuff onto the wireless things as well. We are going to need the copy of ISO Linux on Kali Linux, and in the next module in which we will tell you how to install the Kali Linux on Mac, on Windows or any other operating system, we will tell you how to download the copies, which copies are good for you or not. So in the meanwhile, you can visit the website, travel along and read the documentation from there. So this is only the lecture for introduction of the Kali Linux. Make yourself comfortable with it and we are going to teach you every step of that. So that's it for this video, and don't forget to visit the website of the Kali Linux for the completion of this video.